Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to create a question and answer, or we can call it a Q&A template file. Okay, so basically when you are working in a project, when you have any question, so instead of send it to the via the email to the customer or send it over the chat tool, you need to collect all of the question into a file and then we send it at one time to the client. Okay. That's why in this video today I will guide you how to create a template for it. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Excel file. So here in the Excel file, I'm going to create some the column here. The first column will be the number. The second one will be question. Next is answer. So here in this video, I will create some the very basic question and answer template here. You can base on that to create some the complex templates for yourself. Okay. So here I will have some the another column is created by, created date. I also have some the, I think we need to have the answer date. And we have a question type, and we should have the status. The status is very important because when we need to check the status of each question. There are some option here is open, in progress, and close. So it will be easier for yourself to create some status for each question here. Okay. We also need have the note. Yeah. Okay. So here I will adjust the width of the column. For the number I will adjust it is smaller. Question and answer will be bigger. Okay, so the notes it will also bigger. Created by, created date, answer, this question type, and status. Okay, something like this. Okay. So right here, I will do some the format for this one. I will create around 20 questions here. For the column number, I will make it a center. Okay. I click on the number 1 here and press the Ctrl on the keyboard and just drag and drop here to increase the number from 1 to 20. Okay. And then I will select the row from the A1 to the I21 at 21. Okay. It will be here. 21. Okay, so now here I will have some the border for this one. Okay, I will do the fill the color for the column here. Okay, make it bold, and of course we can increase the size for the column header. It should be bigger. Okay. I will make this one the middle, as a middle align. Okay. So here I will select all of the row in here, and I will select option wrap text Okay. For the status, okay, I will save this one first. I will save it to my desktop. I will save it in my Q&A template version 1.0 or 0.1. Okay, so now here I will create the data for status. Yeah, for status we should fix some of the status like open, in progress, and close. Okay, so here we have we select the row S2. Okay, and click on the data. We have in the data tool group here, we have a data validation. Click on this one. Yeah. So here in the validation criteria, we have the option here. I will select the lead. Okay. For the source, I will enter some of the data here, value data here, will be open, comma, and in progress, and close. Or even we have the option to cancel and close. Okay. Yeah. So here after you click on OK button, the text box in the row S2 here will be changing to the drop down list in this only the text box. Yeah. So here when you click on the arrow drop down here, it will have some the value. We have that enter in the list of the data. We have open, in progress, cancel, and close. Okay, very good. Yeah. So of course by default when we create any question, the status should be open. So I will select the open as a default value for each row here. Okay. We can do the same copy by this. Click on the row S2 here and you drag and drop it. The format will be copied from the S2 to another row here. Okay. For the question type, you can enter it manually or you can do the same thing when we do for the status. If you can remove some of the question type here, for example, you have some open question in the for the confirmation or some of the confirmation, or you have some of the clarify requirement or something like that. Yeah, you can create it here. So here I will try to define some of the question type for you. Data validation. Select the list and with the status. I will have a confirmation, and the second one will be the clarification or other. Okay. Save it and do the same thing. We copy it for another row. Yeah. Okay. Save it. So here for the question, for example, now I will try to enter a question here into my template. I will have the first question maybe will be the what is the technology for our project. Yeah, something like this. So question will be created by myself. So I will enter my name here, Chiến Vũ. Yeah, and created dash. You can enter the created here. For example, 12 mark and 20. Okay, and answer the dash question type. So the question type here, I will have option is clarification. Yeah. Okay. For example, I have a list of questions here, and then I send it to my customer. Okay. So when my customer receive the question list here, they will enter the answer back to each question here. Okay, so for example, the customer will enter the question, the feedback here. Okay, it will be the okay for the .NET text will be .NET MVC SQL jQuery or something like this. Okay, so because here okay, so you can enter any type of the question. In this video, enter the question for the software development. Okay, you no need to understand what does it mean here. Okay, save it. And here, for example, I have the answer dash will be 15 is and 20, something like this. Okay, I will save it. And we have, for example, I will copy the question here to make it look better. Okay, something like this one. Cool. So here, if I think the question, okay, so when the client fill out all of the answer here and send back to me, so after I do the verification, the answer from the customer, if I think this question is enough for me, so I will change the status is to the close. Okay, or if I think the answer is not enough, so I will send it back to the client here. And of course, I will change the status to in progress. Okay, and the same thing, if the question here, I think it is incorrect question, I will change it to cancel. Okay, so here, when you take a look into overview of this template, when we change the status to close, in progress, cancel, or even open, it's look no difference. Okay, I mean no difference in the styles in the displaying the here. So here it went very difficult for the user when they just take a look into the file here. They don't know which question is open and which one is open, which one is in progress, and which one is closed. Okay, until they take a look into the status of the close, in progress, and or cancel here. Okay, so here I think we need to have some the formatting for any row. For example, when the user selects the close status here, we should change the color for this row to the gray color or something like this. Okay, so that means when we have the status is the close, all the pro data will be gray. The same thing when the status is in progress, we have a yellow color, or when we have the cancel, it will also gray. Yeah, and we need to have some the agreement with the client on the color using in the file, so it will be easier for all of the team when take a look into the same file. They just take a look into the color. If any row don't have any color, so that means the question will be open, and they have to take a look into it and resolve it as soon as possible. Okay, so here I will guide you how to do some the formatting for the row. Okay, so here you should select the row from the A2 until the row I21. Okay, select all of the row here in the table. Okay, and then you click on the home here. In the home tab, we have a conditional formatting. Okay, you click on the drop down button here. It will open the list of the option here. We have a lot of the built-in feature here: highlight cell rule, top bottom data bar, color scale, icon setup here. And here in this video I will select option new rule. Yeah, that means I'm going to create a custom rule for this one to do the formatting for the row here based on the data selected by the user. Okay, I click on new rule. Okay, so here a new pop-up will be open. We have a new formatting rule. There are the list of the rule type will be supporting here, and I will select the option the latest. I will select the option use a formula to determine which cell to format. Okay, and then I have to provide the conditioner in the format value where this formula is true. Okay, so here take a look back to the status column. I have the cell is the S2. Okay, column S and row number 2. I will have a dollar sign on, and then S2 if it is equal the close. So we will select the click on format button here and click on the fin tab here. In the fin tab, you select the color you want to be displayed when status is the close. So here I will select the gray color. Okay, you can see the preview here. If you think this color is not good, you can select another one. Okay, click OK button here. Okay, yeah, and then I will open back, click on conditional formatting. We have just finished do the configuration for the okay, I will see it first here. So here you see we have when the status is close, all of the row from the A2 to the I2 have been changed to the gray color. If I select the other status, for example close, the color will be disappear. The same thing, cancel in progress and close. Okay, so here we need to have some the conditioner for in progress and cancel as well. Okay, so how to do it? Okay, do the same thing as we did for the previous. You select A2 to I21 and click on conditional formatting. So now instead click on new rule, you click on manage rule here. So here in this one we click on new rule, select the same option your formula to determine which cell to format here. The same thing, we have equal and dollar sign, and we have S2 is equal the in progress. Okay, and then select the color for it. So for the in progress, I will select the orange. Okay, do another one, new rule, and it will be S2 equal equal cancel. I will select the color, the gray, same color with color. Okay, and click on OK button. Yes, save it. Okay, here I will select the option. I will change on it to the open and open. Okay, so here when I select the option E, open and change it to in progress, the color will be changed to orange. The second one, change it to the cancel, so color will be changed to gray. The third one will be the color, so it gray as well. Yeah, very good. Yeah, save it. Okay, so the last step, I will create some the heading for this. Okay, I will insert one more. Okay, so here, for example, I have the title is Q&A for project ABC or something like that. ABC, yeah. Okay, add more information here. I have a project manager. Hiến Vũ, yeah. Another information will be will be the project duration. It will be, for example, it starts from the 1st of January 12 to the 30 June 12. Okay, something like this. I change it to bold. Okay, and then so here I will have the option A. I will select the I will make the column here sticky on the top. Okay, so I have a view and freeze the pen. Yeah. Oh, it's freezing from the row 11. Okay, let me get it back. Unfreeze. So now I only want to freeze from the column. Okay, I will select the column C6. Okay, yeah. So here I will sticky. The first one will be the okay back it. I will change it. Fill the color for this one first will be the white color. Okay, so here I will keep the project information. The table header is sticky, and also the question will be sticky. So here, for example, when we have a question is very long and also answer is very long as well, so I will sticky this one. Yeah. Okay, I think it's enough for you when you are working in a project and you have the question list, want to send it to the customer for clarification or confirmation. Okay, of course you can base on this one to tailoring it to suitable for the project. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you think it is useful, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, again, thank you for watching and see you later in another video. Thank you, bye bye.